Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your pneumatic cylinder from your office chair. Are you interested in a new office chair? BTOD TV is your #1 office chair resource. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future office chair content. The two tools you will need are a large pipe wrench and a rubber mallet. Before you start, be sure to protect the surface of your table and floor where the cylinder will drop. Using your pipe wrench, tighten it to your cylinder as close to the mechanism as possible. If you are going to reuse your cylinder, be sure to protect it using a rag. Once tightened to the cylinder, turn the pipe wrench a quarter turn until it comes loose. Your cylinder isn't screwed on, so loosen it until you can pull the base and cylinder off. To remove the cylinder from the base, simply put the base upside down. Be sure your surface is covered and floor protected. Stand back so the cylinder doesn't hit your feet. Use a rubber mallet to dislodge the cylinder from the base. If the rubber mallet doesn't work, use a hammer instead. Keep in mind, the hammer may damage your cylinder. As you can see, with a few tools and a little bit of time, you can easily remove your cylinder from your office chair. If you are interested in other office chair content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any further questions on how to remove a cylinder from your office chair, visit us at the Learning Center at BTOD.com. Thanks for watching.